Prepare to be utterly mesmerized. Welcome to Antalya, where the brilliant azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea embrace centuries of captivating history. Get ready to embark on an epic visual journey with Epic Travel 360 that will ignite your wanderlust. Imagine waking up to the gentle rhythm of the waves, then, in mere moments, finding yourself stepping back in time amidst the remnants of ancient civilizations. Antalya offers a truly unique and enchanting blend of breathtaking natural beauty and deeply storied history. It's a place where the echoes of the past resonate in the present. From secret beaches to bustling bazaars and mesmerizing sunsets, here's a rapid-fire glimpse of the incredible magic that eagerly awaits your discovery in Antalya. Get ready to be inspired. Now that you've gotten a glimpse of the incredible variety Antalya has to offer, let's dive into Antalya's most beloved beach spots, starting with the vibrant Konyaaltı Beach. Let's kick off our exploration with Konyaaltı Beach, an iconic stretch of Antalya's coastline that offers not just a quick, but an absolutely unforgettable view. Here, the stunning panorama of the pebbled shoreline meets the crystal-clear waters, all framed by the majestic presence of the Taurus Mountains. Wander with us through Kaleiçi, Antalya's enchanting old town, where every corner tells a story from centuries past. As you explore these narrow lanes, you'll feel like you've stepped into a living history book, surrounded by the beauty of Ottoman architecture and the charm of a bygone era. Next up on our coastal journey is a quick but delightful look at Lara Beach, known for its golden sands and a touch of luxury, ideal for a laid-back escape. Whether you're looking to pamper yourself at a high-end resort or enjoy some quality family time by the sea, Lara Beach has something special for everyone. Venture beyond the city to Termessos, an ancient Pisidian city high in the mountains with breathtaking views. A true eagle's nest. The sheer scale and strategic location of these ruins will leave you in awe of the people who once called this incredible place home. Antalya isn't just about history, it's a feast for your senses. Get ready to savor everything from succulent kebabs to mouth-watering mezes. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a real treat as we explore the delicious heart of Turkish cuisine. What sets Antalya apart? Its warm, welcoming people. Listen as locals share their favorite hidden spots and traditions. Step through Hadrian's Gate, an architectural marvel built in honor of Emperor Hadrian that still captivates visitors today. Imagine the grand processions and important figures that once passed beneath these very arches. It's a powerful connection to the Roman era. Prepare to be awed by Aspendos Theater, one of the best-preserved ancient Roman theaters where history still echoes. Picture yourself in the audience as gladiators clash or ancient dramas unfold. The atmosphere here is simply electric, even today. Discover the mythical Olympos ruins, where ancient legends meet breathtaking natural beauty. As you wander through the overgrown paths and discover hidden tombs, you'll feel like you've stumbled upon a secret world. Now let's dive deeper into Konyaaltı Beach. Whether you're here for a swim, some water sports, or just soaking in the atmosphere, there's something for everyone. You'll love the energy of this beach, with its lively cafes and the constant buzz of activity. Dreaming of soft sands and endless fun? Lara Beach not only promises relaxation, but also offers exciting activities for the whole family. With its numerous resorts and dedicated family areas, it's a fantastic choice for a memorable vacation. Trust me, the walk down to Kaputaş Beach is absolutely worth it. When you reach those turquoise waters, you'll see exactly why travelers call it paradise. The secluded beauty of this beach is truly something special. Immerse yourself in millennia of history at the Antalya Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts that tell the story of this fascinating region. From ancient sculptures to intricate mosaics, you'll gain a deep appreciation for the rich heritage of Antalya. Don't miss out on Piyaz, Antalya's unique white bean salad that's as flavorful as it is memorable. The creamy texture and the nutty flavor of the tahini make this dish a real standout. Meat lovers, get ready. Enjoy delectable sis kofta and other grilled delights that capture the essence of Turkish cuisine. The smoky aroma and the perfectly seasoned meat are simply irresistible. Thanks to its prime Mediterranean location, Antalya offers the freshest seafood. From grilled fish to hearty stews, every bite is a delight. Picture yourself enjoying a delicious seafood dinner right by the harbor as the sun sets. It's an experience you won't soon forget. For the thrill seekers, here's a heart-racing adventure. Paragliding near Tatali Mountain, just a short trip from Antalya. Enjoy panoramic views that'll leave you breathless. Can you imagine the feeling of flying like a bird over this incredible landscape? Set sail on a boat tour to uncover hidden coastal gems and ancient ruins accessible only by sea. You'll discover secluded coves and get a unique perspective on Antalya's rich history from the water. Let's take a moment to recap. From stunning beaches and ancient ruins to mouth-watering cuisine and local charm, Antalya has shown us a world of wonders so far. Experience the raw power of nature at Düden Waterfalls. Whether it's the lush upper falls or the dramatic cascade into the sea, nature's beauty is on full display. The sheer force and beauty of these waterfalls are truly captivating. Get ready to haggle and explore. The old bazaar is packed with treasures from handmade ceramics to intricate carpets. Remember to take your time and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere as you search for the perfect souvenir. Take your time. Browse local boutiques and bazaars to discover that perfect souvenir or one-of-a-kind craft to remember your trip. You'll find so many beautiful and unique items that reflect the rich artistry of the region. Ready for a taste of luxury? Antalya's top resorts offer world-class amenities from private beaches to serene spas. Your perfect retreat awaits. Imagine yourself relaxing by a stunning pool with a refreshing drink in hand. Pure bliss. For a more intimate stay, choose one of the boutique hotels in Kaleiçi. These beautifully restored Ottoman houses provide an authentic slice of history and charm. Staying here truly immerses you in the unique atmosphere of the old town. Traveling on a budget? No worries. Antalya offers plenty of affordable accommodations that still deliver an amazing experience. You'll find cozy guest houses and comfortable hotels that allow you to explore all that Antalya has to offer without breaking the bank. With over 300 days of sunshine, Antalya is perfect year-round. Whether you crave a summer swim or a scenic autumn stroll, there's an ideal time for you. The shoulder seasons of spring and fall offer pleasant temperatures perfect for exploring without the summer crowds. Just a short drive away, Phaselis offers a mix of ancient ruins and natural beauty that's truly breathtaking. You'll love exploring the remnants of this ancient harbor city with the stunning Mediterranean as its backdrop. Take your adventure up a notch with the Olympos teleferic. Ascend Tatali Mountain and feast your eyes on unrivaled vistas of the Mediterranean and Taurus Mountains. The view from the top is simply spectacular, offering a true eagle's eye perspective. Experience the heart of Antalya through its people. From friendly tea sessions to spontaneous local chats, genuine Turkish hospitality will make you feel right at home. Don't be surprised if you're invited to share a meal or a conversation. It's all part of the warm Turkish culture. Treat yourself to a traditional Turkish hammam, an ancient ritual of cleansing and relaxation that leaves you completely refreshed. You'll emerge feeling like a brand new person after this truly unique experience. As dusk falls, wander along the Antalya marina. Admire the sparkling yachts, indulge in a seaside dinner, and soak in the vibrant nightlife. It's the perfect way to end a day of exploring this beautiful city. Let's get practical. Antalya has an excellent public transit system, affordable taxis, and plenty of budget-friendly eats. Local buses and trams are affordable, usually just a couple of Turkish lira, and a transport card will save you money if you're exploring a lot. Don't forget to also check for free walking tours to get acquainted with the city. Antalya is a photographer's dream. From sunset vistas at Karaalioglu Park to the timeless beauty of the ancient harbor, capture your perfect shot at every turn. You'll find incredible photo opportunities around every corner, so keep your camera ready. Ready to plan your adventure? Download our free comprehensive Antalya City Guide PDF packed with maps, itineraries, and insider tips. Link in the description. If you loved this journey, subscribe to Epic Travel 360 for more epic travel guides and adventures. Hit that bell so you never miss out. Tell us, what's one thing you can't wait to experience in Antalya? Or, if you've already visited, what's a moment you'll never forget? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Follow us on Instagram and Pinterest for daily travel inspiration, behind-the-scenes moments, and even more tips to fuel your wanderlust. As a thank you for watching, enjoy exclusive discounts with our trusted local tour operators. Use the code EPICANTALYA when booking. Check the description for details. That's a wrap for our ultimate Antalya guide. Stay tuned for our next video on the best of Turkish cuisine. Until then, happy travels and see you soon.